What is up, YouTube? It's Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater out here at CES 2020, getting it going. We are checking out all the latest and greatest consumer electronic technology that's coming out this year. Look at this. I mean, this is just the beginning of what we're going to be covering today. We got a load of content for you guys today, and I want you guys to smash that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and give me a big thumbs up, because we are out here working for you, YouTube. Working. What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I'm out here with Jason from Samsung. We're going to be discussing something very special for you here today. If you are not one of our subscribers, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up. All right, over to you, Jason.
What's up, world? Welcome to CES 2020 in the Samsung City. We're right here at the entrance to Samsung's experience for 2020 at CES. And the first thing you're going to see right behind our left shoulders over here is our massive and beautiful 292-inch modular LED display technology called the Wall. This is an incredible technology based on modular panels and micro LED technology that allows us to build out a customizable size TV to really fit into any living space. Not only is that awesome, but what you're seeing behind me in this visual display is the incredible capabilities of micro LED and the Wall when it comes to acting as TV. How awesome is that?
This thing is freaking fantastic. It's massive, it's vibrant, it's bright, it's blowing my mind.
So this is 292, but because it is modular, we have the ability to build out the Wall to really any size. We're also showing a 150, but we also have smaller sizes that are expected to launch later this year. 110, 93, 88 inches, maybe even down to 75. So with the Wall, it's really about customizing it to any space to build out the perfect TV for you.
You guys want this in your theater room? We have you covered. You guys want this in your living room with a wall of windows? This thing is still going to look absolutely beautiful. I think that about sums it all. If you guys would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call, shoot us an email. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach and Jason with Dreamedia and Samsung. Thanks for watching.